8 minus 6 equals 2. And again here we have 8 minus 6. So 2 times 2 equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 6 times 8 gives us negative 48. So 6 times 8 equals 48. Here we have 48. So 8 minus 48, then minus 6. Now we have to do this subtraction. 8 minus 48 gives us negative 40. So negative 40 minus 6 equals negative 46. And this is our final answer to this problem.